dark side offers you freedom and paths to glory that no one could scant imagine. It gives you strength. It gives you the ability to usurp your enemies at will. Well, I assume that you have brought the package.
Of course I did. What do you expect of me?
I expect only perfection in this transaction. Let me see it. Yes, that looks just about right. Put it over there, in front of the computer. There. That should conclude our transaction.
Excellent. You have made the payment.
I most certainly did. All of it is there. Just check in your account.
I already did.
Yes, if there was anything amiss with my finances, you would not be alive right now. Then leave me. Leave me now. Excellent. What I have expected to arrive did indeed arrive. So let's open it. This is not a Saber-related video. This is something completely different. Now, they have identifiers on both sides of the package, so I have to be really careful so as not to dox myself. It's been a while since I've done a video, so I'm a little out of practice. Alright, so what we're going to do is move this down here and open this up carefully, because this came from Hungary, and this is well, yeah, just something I decided to buy. I'm not really into cosplay, but okay, so this is safe. Here we go. I don't remember the name of the seller, I admit it, but let's see, what does this say? Thank you. I hope you like and enjoy your order. It was a great honor to make this craftment. This craftment, that's a strange word. For you, if you are satisfied, I would really appreciate your purchase review on Etsy. Of course, my friend. If anything went wrong during shipping or the blah, 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 would love Dante. Oh yeah, that's right, his name's Dante. See, Dante. Alright, so my mask is in here. Plenty of packing peanuts. My first mask. I don't own any other masks. There we go. And just set that aside for now. Sometimes there's like extras in these little packages, but I don't think there's anything here, so I don't have any buckets from my head just yet. And I just want to buy something relatively inexpensive and complete that didn't require any work, so this is what I got. Whether it fits my mug, I don't know, but we'll find out. Okay. There we go. Let's see. A little bit small for my head. I have a big head. Get this thing off of it. Let's see. I don't even know if this thing's meant to be worn. Well, I'm not going to attempt to take this off since I don't have a way to stick it on my face anyway. Seems to fit. I'm thinking probably two-sided tape is probably the way to go. I don't know. Like I said, I don't really do cosplay. But once I get a Sith robe on and all the other gear that I've purchased to get myself all set for the coming holiday. Yeah, not too bad. As you can see, it's a Darth Nihilus mask, but it's kind of kitted out to be extremely dark side in nature. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a very, very short video, which is why I did all the stuff at the beginning. And now I'm gonna go back to watching. We're gonna go back to watching Black Widow, which I started watching before I took a break to shoot this video, to show you my new mask. And yeah, there you go. So thanks for watching. I hope everyone has had a good week. Tomorrow's Friday, so one thing I wish to mention, if you head on over to Darth Rage's channel tomorrow night, 7 p.m. Central Time, a bunch of us are getting together to have a nice little live stream, which should be a lot of fun. And I'm going to be bouged out with my mask, and I'm going to dress up a bit. And yeah, so we've got a good night of festivity in the works. Sorry if I seem really tired. It's because I am. It's been a long week, and I am beat. But I'll be fine for tomorrow, so I'll see you then. May the Force be with you, and you'll have a good evening. Take care now. Bye.